Now we want to go into actually creating pages and posts in WordPress. You'll see that pages and posts, the options are extremely similar, and I just want to go into the basics of what options you have that are universal given all WordPress themes, making your pages, placing text in, and we'll get into placing images in a soon-to-come title. So here we go. Let's move this over here, and I have this basic page in here, and I want to put some text right down here below Horse World. We are in a theme. It's called like Metro Park or something like that. And here I am in the dashboard, and if I go to visit my site, here's the page right here, and I would like to edit the page. Now, of course, what I should do, if I wanted to make a new page altogether, I would just go New Post or New Page. It's that simple. New Post or New Page. Now, and then you just click that, and it's going to take you into these options right here. The theme that I'm using right now is it's added some icons so I can throw YouTube in here or Vimeo. Those are not universal options, but these options are up here. And notice you'll see these options up here, almost like a word kind of thing. And if I click this thing, it shows me less options. If I want to see all of my options, I can click there, and that will come back. So I have my page in here, and I just went to loremipsum.com. You can find it on the internet, lipsum.com, and you can generate fake text if you just need some placeholder text to get things done, and that's what I've done. I've copied that text, and I just want to paste it in here. Now, you may note that if I go to View Page right here, you'll see that there are no sidebars here. And as we talked about in a previous title, depending upon the theme that you have, you can get rid of your sidebars. And what I did is when I made this page, when I went to New Page, I just went up here. In this theme, the options are up here under Content Layout, and I just went to No Sidebars. For many people, if you're lucky with the theme that you've selected, it will show up down here under Template, under Page Attributes. But having said that, I don't want any sidebars. I'm going to paste in my lorem ipsum, and now I'm ready to go. I have my text in here, and now I want to edit the text. And, it's just like being in Word, any word processing system. I want my title up here at the top, and I'm going to say in every page I have, in every WordPress page I have, I come up here to Heading 1, and you really want to understand the importance of a Heading 1 tag. And if you pop over, being a member, just pop over to the Dreamweaver series under SEO, and we'll take you in depth into the significance of the H1 tag. And I just go Heading 1. There you go. I've got my H1 tag in there. The other options up here are pretty apparent. Bold. Maybe I want to select some text and click the bold option, the italicize option, creating list. You really, if you're a list user, you really want to go over to our section in list over in the Dreamweaver section. It takes you all through list bulleted lists, non-bulleted lists, how to replace the bullets with images, all that kind of stuff. And of course, you might run into some text like Bill the Geek, and you have your alignment issues here. Maybe I'll give this an H2, a heading 2 tag. Maybe I want that aligned center. Maybe I want that aligned right. Maybe I'll bring it over to the right. If I want to put a link on it, I can click this link icon, go up here and just type google.com. Give it a title, open it in a new window if I want to, add the link. Now it's a link. What else is going on up here? I can add, if I have a lot of text, I can put in a little read more button. I can underline the selected text, but since it's a link, it's already underlined, so this underlines some other text. Maybe I want all of the text to be justified. There you go, side to side, no weird stuff on the edges. This is kind of cool. This option right here will paste text in from Word as basic text, and this is a very important option because if you copy stuff out of text, paste it into WordPress, believe it or not, Word has code in it that will mess you up in your web page. Believe me. So you can use this option. You can go into Word, copy the text, and then click this. It'll paste it in as basic text. Many times I have a basic text editor. I'm on a Mac, so this is text edit. So many times I'll copy paste out of a web page or out of Word, paste it into this. This, if you're on a PC, Notepad will do the same thing. It cleanses your Word doc stuff. It cleanses it of all the code that comes out of Word with it. Or you can just use this little button right here. Notice the clear formatting button to get rid of any formatting. Let's see, special characters. This is kind of cool because all the time people are asking me, well, how do you add like a copyright symbol? Here it is. How do you add a trademark symbol? I mean, all this weird stuff that you'd be looking on the internet for years trying to find it. It's all under here in special characters. Okay, so pretty much, there's how you add links. There's the H1 tag and where to find out more about the significance of H1 or heading 1 tags and in SEO. Here are your basic options you're going to find in every WordPress site. We're going to get into add media. That will always be up there. These options up here are from plugins that I have added. So ignore those. You'll see them with different plugins you may add. And I've gotten rid of the sidebars. Once I've added my text, I didn't do this. Let's highlight some text. Under the little A, we can go in here and change colors and stuff like that to selected text. In our next video, we'll go into fonts and controlling fonts in WordPress. And then right after that, we'll go into inserting images into your WordPress post and pages.